Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials: a known good cable, a laptop or PC, and a spare working switch or router. Once ready, plug the cable into the target Ethernet port and into the known good device. Make sure Wi-Fi is turned off so the device will attempt a wired connection. Watch the link /activity LEDs on both the target port and your device. They tell you if physical layer negotiation succeeded. If LEDs blink or stay solid, proceed to verify addressing and connectivity. Once the link lights indicate a connection, you verify addressing. You open network settings and run ipconfig or IP editor to confirm the interface appears and whether it received an IP via DHCP. If DHCP failed, assign a manual static IP in the router's subnet and retry. Then ping the gateway to confirm layer 3 reachability. If pings succeed, the port works for both physical and network layers. If pings fail despite link, check switch port configuration and VLAN as the next step. You finish by confirming end-to-end connectivity. Open a browser or ping a public IP like 8 to ensure external reachability. If that fails, swap the cable or use a different port and device to isolate whether the problem is the port itself or the connected machine. Make sure you reset the switch or router port and update the device NIC drivers if needed. Troubleshooting tip: if link LEDs light but traffic is blocked, check for mismatched duplex, VLAN assignment,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.